Greenhous DAF has recently strengthened its workshop capabilities following the installation of heavy-duty vehicle lifting equipment supplied by Totalkare. As part of a continued investment in delivering outstanding service to its customers, Greenhous DAF has purchased a state-of-the-art Y-MECH lift and heavy-duty jacking beam. The Y-MECH lift from Totalkare provides exceptional lifting capacity and stability for HGVs, making it ideal for workshops seeking a permanent lifting solution. Paired with a heavy-duty jacking beam, it enables wheels-free maintenance, greatly enhancing operational flexibility. In addition, the T8 AC cabled mobile column lifts bring added versatility, allowing the team at Greenhous DAF to lift a variety of vehicles in different workshop locations with ease. This installation underscores our commitment to maintaining the highest standards of service, efficiency, and safety for our customers, ensuring the workshop remains equipped to meet the demands of modern commercial vehicle maintenance.